Bow windows are a beautiful and functional feature that add charm, natural light, and increased curb appeal to your home in Taylor. However, like any home component, bow windows eventually show signs of wear and tear that may warrant replacement. Ignoring these signs can lead to inefficiencies, higher energy bills, and even potential structural damage. Here's a guide to help you recognize when it's time to replace your bow windows and the benefits of making the change. Drafts and poor insulation. One of the most noticeable signs that your bow windows need replacement is the presence of drafts. If you feel a chill near your windows or notice a significant temperature difference in the area, your windows might have lost their insulation. Bow windows are designed to provide a cozy environment, but old or damaged seals can let outside air seep in, driving up heating and cooling costs. Modern replacement windows come with advanced insulation technologies, such as double or triple pane glass and low-E coatings, to keep your home comfortable year-round. Visible damage or decay. Inspect your bow windows for visible signs of wear, such as cracked glass, chipped paint, warped frames, or rotting wood. These issues not only detract from your home's appearance but can also compromise the structural integrity of the window. For instance, wood frames are particularly susceptible to water damage, which can lead to mold and rot over time. Upgrading to durable, low-maintenance materials like vinyl or fiberglass can save you from frequent repairs and improve the longevity of your windows. Difficulty in operation. If opening or closing your bow windows has become a struggle, it's a clear indicator that they may need to be replaced. Over time, window frames can warp or shift due to changes in temperature and humidity, making them stick or jam. Faulty hardware or balance mechanisms can also impede smooth operation. Replacing your windows with newer models ensures effortless functionality and enhanced security features, such as multi-point locking systems. Condensation between glass panes. Foggy windows or condensation trapped between the panes is a telltale sign that the window seals have failed. This issue not only obscures your view but also indicates that your windows are no longer energy efficient. A broken seal means that the insulating gas between the panes has escaped, reducing the window's ability to regulate indoor temperatures. Modern bow windows with gas-filled, double-glazed panes provide superior insulation and clarity. Outdated design or aesthetic. While functional issues are the primary reason for window replacement, aesthetics play a significant role as well. If your bow windows look outdated or no longer match the style of your home, replacing them can instantly elevate your home's curb appeal. New designs come in a variety of styles, materials, and finishes to complement any architectural theme. Additionally, updated windows can increase your property's resale value. Increased energy bills. If you've noticed a steady rise in your energy bills, your old bow windows might be to blame. Inefficient windows allow heat to escape during the winter and let it in during the summer, causing your HVAC system to work overtime. Energy-efficient replacement windows are designed to minimize energy loss, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars annually on utility costs. Excessive noise. bow windows should provide a serene barrier against outside noise. If you find that your home is no longer shielded from street sounds, it's a sign that your windows have lost their soundproofing qualities. High-quality replacement windows with advanced glazing can significantly reduce noise infiltration, creating a more peaceful indoor environment. The benefits of replacing your bow windows. Replacing your bow windows not only addresses these issues but also offers numerous benefits. Enhanced energy efficiency. Save money and reduce your carbon footprint. Improved comfort. Maintain a consistent indoor temperature and eliminate drafts. Better curb appeal. Boost your home's aesthetics and resale value. Increased functionality. Enjoy smooth operation and modern features. Low maintenance. Opt for materials like vinyl or composite for durability and ease of care. Choosing the right replacement windows. When replacing your bow windows in Taylor, it's essential to work with a trusted window replacement company that offers high-quality products and expert installation. Consider factors like energy efficiency ratings, warranty coverage, and customizable options to ensure your new windows meet your needs and preferences. By addressing these signs and upgrading your bow windows, you can enhance the beauty, efficiency, and comfort of your home. Don't wait for small issues to turn into costly repairs. Invest in replacement windows and enjoy the many benefits they bring to your Taylor home.